In these videos, we are going to go over some of the resources that are available at the UNC Chapel Hill Health Sciences Library, specifically some resources that are great for distance students. So just because you aren't on campus, that doesn't mean that you can't benefit from the same resources that are available to on-campus students. Many of our resources can be accessed remotely with your Onion password, no matter where you're located. And we would also like to emphasize that if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us by submitting a question through something we call Ask Us, or by sending us a chat. And you can get to both of these options right here. Both are staffed by real health sciences librarians, and we operate during normal business hours. And we get all sorts of questions, so please don't hesitate to contact us. If you would like some in-depth help from one of our librarians, we also do one-on-one virtual consultations, either over the phone or through Zoom, which is our video conferencing software. Zoom is mobile friendly and it's completely free for Carolina students and staff. You can download Zoom or you can access it through the ITS software acquisition page right here. Zoom is also really great for recording interviews or just doing short videos like the one I'm doing right now. So if you would like to schedule a consultation at any time, even if you're not on campus, all you have to do is select this box, email us, just fill out this quick form, and we'll get in touch with you and schedule a time that fits your schedule. Other resources at the Health Sciences Library include access to all of our databases, our journals, and our ebooks, electronic books. We also have a lot of special collections and streaming media, like video and audio resources. And next, I'd like to go over some links that are right on our homepage and are very useful. This search box right up here at the top allows you to perform 4 different kinds of searches. You can perform a PubMed search, you can search the UNC catalog, you can search for a specific journal, or you can search the Health Sciences Library website. If you're searching for an article, PubMed might be where you're going to start. If you're searching for an ebook, you'll want to do a catalog search. The eJournals tab is a really great place to go if you're having trouble finding the full text of an article for some reason. For example, if you see the blue Find at UNC button next to an article and it's just not working correctly, you can type in the name of the journal in this search box right here. And you might see multiple listings under the journal entry come up. Let's do an example right here. So these entries right here, it might be a little confusing, but these just indicate overlapping subscription packages that the library has. And any of these links should take you directly to the journal's website, and then you can search for the article that you're wanting. Back to the library's homepage, this quick link box right here at the top is also really useful for distance students. These are direct links to some of the more popular databases like PubMed and CINAHL. And it's really important to navigate to a database through the library's website when you're off campus. This is because you'll be prompted to enter your Onion and password, and then the database will allow you to access all of the articles and ebooks that are in our subscriptions. So even if you're using Google Scholar, you'll want to route through the library's website first. Right below this box, we have research guides and experts. The research guides are really the core of our library's resources. These guides are curated by librarians at our library, and they contain collections of resources that are focused on specific topics or programs. These are intended as reference points, and they contain a variety of information that's pertinent to a specific topic or program or department. So for example, the Allied Health Guide right here would be a really great place for any allied health student to start looking for more general information. And if we scroll down and look at all of these guides on the left-hand side, a student in the sleep medicine program could get some really detailed information that's specific to what their research entails. And we also have some really great guides that provide very general information that can be helpful to any students in any program. So to get to those guides, again, you could navigate to them through the homepage, or you can click down this Find button, select Research Guides, and you'll see a list of guides that are organized by topic, or you can have them organized by title or by the author. Some of the guides that our students use a lot are Citing and Writing, Finding Images, and the Poster Design Tools. And all of these guides are really created with a lot of thought and a lot of care. The librarians in our library who are experts in these topics collaborate with faculty members, and they select the resources that they'd like to include in each guide, and they're very, very careful and thoughtful about it. And we are also continuously updating all of our guides with new relevant materials. So we do want our patrons to know that when you find a resource on one of these guides, you can be sure that it's trustworthy.